Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Netflix account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser and type in netflix.com and you'll end up on this page. Click the sign in button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login page. You'll end up in the sign in page soon after you do that. You'll need your email or your phone number and password to log in and access to your Netflix account. But if you don't remember your password during the process, then you can get help by clicking on the Need Help link beneath the sign in button. Now it'll ask you how you'd like to reset your password. You can choose between email or text messages option. If you select a text message, you'll need to type in your mobile number that is associated with your Netflix account and enter the verification code sent to you in order to reset to a new password. If you've chosen the email option, type in your email address. Make sure to enter the same email that is associated with Netflix and click on Email Me. Soon after you do that, you'll receive an email instructions on how to reset your password. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll be able to receive an email from Netflix. Click it open and click on Reset Password. Enter the new password you would like to change for your account in the new password text box and re-enter the new password again in the next field. If you'd like to sign out of all of the devices from where you're logged into your Netflix account, then check this little box beneath and click on Save. If you don't want to do that, leave the box unchecked before clicking on Save and you'll be able to reset your password to something else for Netflix. That is how you can easily reset your Netflix account's password if you've forgotten during logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.